In this video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background image in Elementor. So in order to blur your background image, what you can do is you first need to head over to elementor.com, sign up or log in to your account. You can do so by clicking onto this Get Started right here, or if you already have an account, click onto this Login. You should be able to do the same thing when you head over to WordPress.com. So we need to have these two because WordPress will host Elementor through this way. Head over and create an account by clicking on this Get Started or click on this Login in order to log into one. So I've already logged in and this is what my dashboard looks like. Head over and edit your site. This is my site right here. So as you can see, the background right now is just color. So what we can do in order to change that is to click onto this option right here, which is the site settings. And then this will open our site settings right there. Now, once the site settings has been opened, you can see right here the design system. We can see in here images, site identity, and other settings we can see background. Head over and click on that. Now in here, let's head over and click onto this image option and let's choose an image that will be our background. Let's choose this one. Click on select. As you can see, it's now added. Now in here, we just need to change its actual resolution in order to blur it. You can see in here the display size, the attachment, position, as well as over scroll behavior as well. Now into this, just head over and change its resolution. Or if you would want, you can also utilize this edit with AI option. This will open the AI editor for you. We have in here options for replacing background, isolating objects, cleaning it, and the likes. So into this part, let's head over and then create in here the generative fill. So click on this and make sure to put in here blur the picture. Now click over and click on this generate right here in order to generate it. And once it's blurred, you should be able to use the blurred background for your actual site. So that's how you blur background image in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.